Hello guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Roblox something went wrong, please try again later error. If you are getting this error message while using Roblox, don't worry, this video will help you fix it. First, check your internet connection, restart the Roblox app and try again. Clear the app cache from your device setting. Make sure Roblox is updated to the latest version. If the issue connection wait for some time, basic Roblox server might be down. That's it. The error solved, now be fixed. If this video helpful you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.